Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. And for those of you who are new, hi, my name is Aman, and in this channel you will find me guiding you through each step and showing you guys step by step on how to create these easy to make, creative, inexpensive DIY projects. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, you guys have probably clicked onto the video because you guys probably know about Squid Game. For those of you who don't know what Squid Game is pretty much a Netflix series. 100 of contestants are given a invitation just like this one. They're invited to play a game to win a big prize as in a lot of money. Pretty much what they have to do is they have to compete in these children games, but once you get eliminated, you instantly die. So it's quite an interesting series overall, and plus Halloween is around the corner as well, probably really close by now. And maybe a lot of you guys might be thinking of dressing up as Squid Game characters, maybe as the contestant or even the guard. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to create a guard costume from Squid Game. And it is honestly easy to make, homemade, and you won't need a lot of supplies. Maybe you'll probably end up finding most of the stuff in your closets, like I said. So I do hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. Without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. For this DIY project, you're going to need is gloves. I'm going to be using disposable gloves, a black belt that has a round buckle in the front, something similar, and then you're also going to need is some black boots. Going with the color red, I'm going to be using this set of hoodie and sweatpants. To make the mask, now this is a mask that I bought from the Dollarama, and I pretty much painted it black, and now as you can see it has been fully dried. And once it's fully dried, I'm going to be using this drawer liner to use it as the cover of the mask. Ignore the hat, you guys. I first thought that I can use the hat, but turns out it never worked out. I'm just using this face cover so that way I get a better idea of how much I have to use to cover up the front of the mask. And I'm going to use this drawer liner piece as the top cover for the mask. So I'm just going to cut that out, and once that's nicely cut, this is how it will look like. Now, using some black tape, I'm going to be using 2 pieces of black tape, and I'm just going to place one horizontally and the other one vertically, just in the center, like this. Now, using my white paint marker, I'm going to be using my tape as a good circle tracer, and once that has been complete, here is how it will look like. Now, using the mask, I'm going to place the cover that I had just made and place it on top of this mask. You can use tape or hot glue gun, but I'm going to be using tape to stick on the cover onto the mask. And once that's complete, it is time to reveal the final look. Much better, now you guys can actually see me. This is how the costume came out, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Also, for all my video updates, don't forget to give me a follow on Instagram. I give all my video updates on Instagram, so be sure to give me a follow to stay up to date on when I post my next video. Also, for more creative DIY videos, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is _Matharu. The links are down in the description below. Here are the usernames. Also, for those of you who don't know, I also have a vlog channel, so be sure to check out my vlog channel as well. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below and just up here. And here is the name of my vlog channel, so be sure to check that out as well. Also, today's video shout out goes to Sam. Shout out to you. Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. I do hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I hope to see you guys very soon in my next video with another costume Halloween special video for you guys coming up in a couple days or less than a few days. Take care, guys. Stay safe and stay spooky. Bye.